Good morning. Today is Monday, and today is a pour day. Well, hopefully a pour day. It's pretty rainy and gloomy out, as you can see. It's raining right now, but concrete isn't for about another 3 hours, so hopefully it holds off. Otherwise, we're gonna have to push it off till tomorrow and be more behind in our schedule, but that'll happen. Nothing you can do about it. But like I said, today's a pour day. We're pouring a garage floor that we set up last week. We were gonna pour it last week, but we pushed it off till Monday, and hopefully that doesn't bite us in the ass. But rain should be stopping around 11, so cross your fingers. Hopefully it does. But we're pouring a garage floor. I'll walk you guys through kind of how it's set up when we get there. It's kind of just like a single car garage. You could fit 2 cars in there if it was the garage doors on the other side, but it's only going to be a 9-foot garage door. But I will see you dudes at the job, otherwise I'm going to continue driving. Concrete's here. So first off, the homeowner wanted a ground rod for his garage, so that's why there's no plastic or foam down. But this is the slab, 12-inch footings going all the way around. In the footings we have 2 layers of rebar floating about 6 inches apart from each other. And then the curb we built, as you can see, each inside board of the curb is angled downwards, so if there'd ever be any water in the garage, it would pitch out of the garage to the garage door.
Huh? 11 yards. Here. Yeah, do that.
Well, we got it all laid down. Got it bolt floated. Filled the curbs. Put the bolts in. We filled the doorway with concrete, and we didn't catch it until we pretty much almost smoothed it all, but got the curbs smoothed. It's looking pretty nice so far. Bolts look pretty straight. Got them about every 4 feet. The sheet the inspector gave us said every 6 feet, but we put them every 4 feet, so it's a little bit stronger.
Not here.
There's another one. No, you're right. You're right. Right here. No, no. Is this one board? This all one board?
Yeah.
Didn't that look like a crack?
It most certainly did. It looked like a saw burn. Richard's brother. Richard Burns.
Pull it out.
Got her. Here, that would give that some air this side, you know what I mean? That'll cut it a little bit. Very nice.
Set it down for now, it's fine.
Give it some air.
Hop across on that side of Riley is next door. Believe it or not, there's not too many videos of curbs being done.
No,
like
no. Usually they're poured separate. Usually it's a wall.
But
and then
this is just fine.
No, it's absolutely glorious. Usually it's a wall, and then you pour on the inside of it.
I'm not even gonna touch any of this.
No,
This looks good.
Let it dry up a little bit.
Two 2,000 years later.
Oh
Boom.
They're like, all right. Like,
This will be where the door is. Need some cream.
what's the radar look like?
You should probably put that in plastic. I mean, look at it, I guess.
It's only supposed to be a little sprinkle of anything if it does hit. So it was like up to like the maximum was like 30 to 40% chance, and it would just be a light rain if it hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably good. 15, 7, 6, 15.
You look at the radar.